guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can already see, I don't know what's wrong with my speech, but you guys can already see what this video is going to be about. Well, I left this beautiful side for you guys so that I can show you how I did this side. But before we get into this video, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. I cannot speak today, nor I can stay still because I keep moving back and forth. So I'm gonna fast forward right into this tutorial. So I hope you guys like. So we're gonna begin by using Fenty Beauty number 717. I think that's the number I say, but no, number 280. And if you're pale like me, you use white eyeshadow. So we're gonna begin. So we're gonna begin by putting some of this on your face, just like this. Drop your hat a little bit. You already know it, okay? And we're gonna put un poquito de eso adentro de la nariz, para los mocos, para cubrir los mocos. No, I'm joking. Since I already did this side is gonna be hard to match, so let's try to blend that in as much as we can. On your lips, on your face. Perdona, I have to do this again. No me gustó la otra. Okay, we're gonna put it on your forehead. If you have a 5 head, you need to get you some more foundation. We're gonna scribble that on your face, just like this. Yummy. Okay. Just like that. And la nariz, uy, qué lindo. On your neck, just like that. Alrighty then. We're gonna finish that off. And we're gonna close this up. And we're gonna put some on your eyebrows. I don't know why I put it on my eyebrows. And then we're gonna put some concealer, if I can find it. Once you finish giving yourself a little pre-facelift, you're gonna go ahead and put some powder. On that powder, I just don't know what's the name of it because unfortunately Veronica just does this tutorial just to do it. No, I use the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder. Warm and whatever. You're gonna powder your face. Once you finish powdering your face, you're gonna go and get your eyeliner, whichever eyeliner you use, and choose to put it on your face and make a retarded look on your face. I don't know what the hell I was doing, but I'm going ahead and I'm outline that lip with true black eyeliner. You're gonna outline the lip, and then you're gonna go and do a mistake and sneeze and miss the side of your lip, and then go across your cheeks, and then you're gonna continue on with that. You're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hide underneath. So once I blew out the air that I was holding in from the fart that I was about to throw, now I'm joking. I'm gonna continue on with that line. I'm gonna make a few lines going down, little lines going down, so I can look like the scarecrow. Because what doesn't look like the scarecrow when you don't put lines in, like you sewed in your mouth together? There you go. And if it's uneven, sorry, I wasn't measuring with a ruler. I just did it just to do it. I have the skin like a vieja, so I have to like put extra. Mi piel está viejita ya. Once you're doing that and you're stressing the fact that you're getting old, you're going to continue on and join that circle that's really hard for me to do because I keep erasing. Yep, erase. There we go. Then goes the fact that I just had to go ahead and put powder on, more powder, because I looked like I had a circle on my face that disappeared. Oh, oop, sucking them lips, girl. You're going to go ahead and color that in with some color that I do not know, unfortunately. If you want to go ahead and take your eyeshadow and put it next to mine and figure the things out, you go ahead and do that. So yeah, we're gonna continue, and I'm sniffing away because unfortunately allergies is kicking in. So we're gonna color in the lips with a lip gloss that I do not know the name. I think it's called Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna color it in. It's matte, so unfortunately the other side looks darker than this color I'm actually putting in because I did the other side first. So yeah, once it's dry and once it's blend it in and all that extra stuff, it's gonna become the same color. So yeah, I'm over here yapping my mouth away. Yep, unfortunately, yap, 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 and continue to color in the lips. Yes, it looks two-tone, but like I said, I did the other side first, so that the side that I'm doing is lighter than the side I already did. So I'm gonna color in the nose with a color. Like I said, I know you guys are gonna hear this all the time. I get these colors from a suitcase that I have, and unfortunately, it does not have the name. So if you guys can figure out the color and know the color, then that's the color I have on my nose. Yep, you figured it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on the eyeliner. It's the LA Colors from Dollar Tree, just $1. And it works. And I'm going to go ahead and do that outlining of the eyes, starting from the inner corner of your eye, going out. And you're going to make sure that you're leaning more on the eyelashes so that your eyeliner don't look like it's going to your eyebrows. So now I'm going to outline the eye and make the wing look fabulous. So yeah guys, continue on doing that, and yeah, okay, it should match. You see the lining of the eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some freckles that I don't have, and it's just fake freckles to make it look gorgeous, fabulous. I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara on your eyes. And if you have any mascara, 24-hour mascara, then go ahead and do that, but not I. 24-hour mascara stays forever, and it hurts my eyeballs. And I have to use more than one wipes to take it off. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on putting on mascara, and I'm going to look at myself. I'm going to fix my hat. I don't know how many times I fixed my hat. And I'm going to look to the corner of my eye. Don't know why I'm being so nosy. Now I'm going to go over the lines to darken it up so you guys can see the lining on the lips. You know, you got to make it pop. Let pop, pop, pop. You like it. And go ahead and look in the mirror. I do not know what. This is the finishing touch. I am a scarecrow. I don't know if I scare you guys, but I'm a scarecrow. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is really good and cheap to do in your house. Just you need some eyeshadow, some lipstick, and eyeliner, and you're good to go. Look. Hope you guys like. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget your girl. If you don't love yourself, who's gonna love you? Besitos.